Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Richard Yogasuma and my student ID number is 1925053 and I am from the Information System major. Today, I would like to present about computer fundamentals and hardware. In this presentation, I will explain the basic concept of computers and the important role of hardware in a computer system. Computer is an electronic device that processes data into information. So, computers are used in many daily activities such as typing documents, browsing the internet, storing files, and doing calculation. Computers help users complete tasks faster and more efficiently compared to doing them manually. Now, let's move to the next topic, which is computer fundamental. Computer fundamentals refer to the foundational knowledge of how computers operate, while computer fundamentals explain the basic concept behind how a computer system works. It includes hardware, software, data, storage, and also input and output system. All of these components are connected and work together, so the computer can function properly. Next. Let's understand how a computer actually works. Computer system works through three stages: input, process, and output. So, every time we use a computer, it follows the same cycle. First, user enter data using input device like a keyboard or mouse. Then, the CPU process the data. And finally, the result is displayed through output device such as a monitor. After understanding the basic process, now let's focus on hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Now, hardware refers to all the physical components that we can directly see and use. These components help users interact with the computer system and support the operation of the computer. Now, let's look at the different types of hardware. Type of hardware include input device, output device, processing device, and storage device. So, hardware can be divided into several categories based on its function. Input devices are used to enter data. Output device display information. Processing device manage data. And storage device save file and information. All of these hardware types work together in one system. Next, we will talk about several important hardware components. Several hardware components are essential for computer performance, while some hardware components are very important because they strongly affect how a computer performs. The CPU control and process instruction. RAM help programs run smoothly, and storage device keep files and data safe safely. Now let's understand why hardware is important. Hardware is essential for operating a computer system. So hardware is very important because without it, a computer system cannot function properly. Hardware supports software operation and also affects the speed and efficiency of the computer system. Finally, let's move to the conclusion. Computer fundamentals and hardware are closely related in a computer system. So, in conclusion, computer fundamentals explain how computers work, while hardware provides the physical components needed for the system to operate. Both of them are important and work together to make computer function properly. That's all for my presentation about computer fundamental and hardware. I hope this presentation can help everyone better understand how computer works and why hardware is important in a computer system. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.